Dawson Creek residents with medical issues will now be able to access medical marijuana at this Compass Clinic. The clinic does not have any product or physicians at the moment. So how will the process work? First, the person will be set up with a licensed producer.
So when they come through, they see a physician. The physician gives them a prescription. Then they come to us and we go through the paperwork, because the legal way of doing it currently is by filling out paperwork, contacting a licensed producer. Those licensed producers then contact the individual with their prescription and it mails to them. 3 months later, they have to redo the process of talking to a physician again and being reassessed, which is logical.
Patients will have the opportunity to not only speak with a doctor, they will also be able to speak with an educator. The legalization of marijuana will not affect the establishment since it's a clinic and not a dispensary. So how has the city of Dawson Creek responded so far to the clinic?
Extremely positive. Lots of support. Lots of people really wanting us to be available for them and wanting us to work with their physicians as well.
Mayor Dale Bumstead says that it's difficult to predict the impact that cannabis will have economically on a community. But so far, there has been interest from entrepreneurs who see this as an opportunity to start a small business. However, Bumstead says that there is still more to discuss on a municipal level.
We don't know exactly what the federal legislation will be, and then we don't know what the provincial regulations and legislation will be that will allow for the use of recreational and medical marijuana in the future. So it's really a kind of a hold right now for us, anticipating the legislation is coming federally to legalize it, and then all of the different components around that. And it will impact us, because now it'll impact us in our bylaw enforcement as it relates to some of the uses and dispensaries and things like that.
Although Compass Cannabis Clinic is open, it's still tentative on which physicians will work there and when. And as for the city, marijuana will be discussed at the city council meeting on Monday, and Rivard will be there as well for an open dialogue. Dalia, Ashry, CJDC-TV News, Dawson Creek.